When I was looking into getting a light bar for my car, there were two things that I was watching out for. Number one, it wasn't allowed to look stupid on the car, like some chrome, big, flashy light bar. And number two, it actually had to have power. And I guess number three, it had to be affordable. I didn't really want to spend $500 on a light bar. I didn't look for too long and I found the light bar that is this one. On Amazon, it's called the 6-stack lens LED light bar. Not very descriptive, but it comes in a bunch of different sizes. I'll have it linked in the description for you so you can look at it. Bunch of different sizes, and the bigger it gets, the stronger it gets, obviously, because it has more of those little pods. So this one is the one for 85 euros, which is not that expensive. It has 150 watt, and it is 33 inches, 845 millimeters. I think I accomplished my goal with it not looking stupid, because there are worse looking light bars out there. I accomplished my goal with it being regularly cheap, because if you go any cheaper than this, then you have the problem of it being just absolute bullshit and crap. And I didn't want to do that. I wanted this to last. I wanted this to be nice. So I chose to get something in this price range. Anyway, let's go take a look. So this is it right here. Excuse the dirtiness. It has been on the car for a while. As you can see, it is my daily driver. And yeah. So it has been in many rains. It has been in many storms. It has been outside every day since I got it. Still works perfectly, no problem. So these are little light pods that fixate the light. So this is not a floodlight light bar. This is more of a beam light bar, which means that about from here to here and like this width, it goes out like 50 meters. That's about like the light of this. This is not a floodlight, so do not go into this light bar looking for a floodlight. This is a beam light. So that's it on. And as you can see here, we're already out of range from the light bar. If we keep moving in, this is where it starts. Same with the top, out of it. And here's where it starts. So it is very directed, very direct. Since I couldn't properly demonstrate what it looked like during the day, I'm going to show you again now in the nighttime. So yeah. So these are the regular headlights. Nothing fancy high beams, normal headlights. And if I now turn on the light bar, as you can see, it doesn't just flood everything. It goes there to there. And it has its stripe. Obviously, the results are going to be a little bit tainted because there are a bunch of flies on the front here. I hope this helped. Very bright as well. You can't see it now because it's like full on day. But let me get up on my roof and then I can show you more close. Alright, so here I am on my roof, as you do casually. And this light bar is actually mostly made of metal. Like all of this is metal. This right here is plastic. This front little lip piece. These screws are not functioning as I think they're not actually functioning. I think they're just for look. And then this is a plastic front piece, but it is pretty sturdy. So as you can see, flies and shit hitting it doesn't really affect it. Anyway, it also comes with this connector right here. It goes in. It has a watertight seal, so it is waterproof. It does not let water in, but the connector is only like this long. After that, you will need to provide your own wire management. I got wire harnesses for this so that I didn't have to think of all this shit myself. It has everything that you wanted. Yeah, let me get off my roof. So yeah, that is most of what I wanted to talk about on this in this Lightbar. Yes, right now it is crooked. I know that. Stop judging me. It also has, as you can see, little screw holes right here in the side, in case you wanted to mount it, I don't know, to some other type of bracket. Down here, the angle is adjustable, so in case you want to point higher or lower, or maybe you have vertical mounting brackets instead of having it on your roof, it is all possible to a certain degree. Like this turns maybe like 85 to 90 degrees back and forth, so 180 degrees in total maximum, not anymore. So don't expect it to do a 360 no scope. Yeah, that's most of this Lightbar. Thank you for watching. If you liked the video, you can check on my channel to see if you like any others. I will upload every Friday at 5 p.m. It's a standard thing, and we'll see how long I can keep that going. For now, I have a lot of video ideas, so videos are going to keep coming. Thank you for watching. Peace.